Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Governor channel and most powerful strategy video for SSCGL 2021 examination. So in this video, I will introduce you to the section, okay, all the 4 sections we will see one by one, and then after that we will start our phase wise preparation strategy which will ensure maximum chances of your selection by scoring more marks in tier 1, okay. As for SSCGL, both the tier, that is tier 1, tier 2 and definitely tier 3 are most important, okay, to ensure your selection. That's why. And the first step is your tier 1. So it is all about tier 1 now, and then after tier 1 exam, definitely I will give you guidance for tier 2, and which is the proven strategy. Last year many candidates follow my strategy and they clear tier 1 with very good marks, okay. That's why I will give you this strategy here. So before that, we will discuss the cutoff and everything regarding the CGL exam, and I will give you the little intro about CGL, what CGL and means what other things are there in CGL, and why people fear of CGL exam. Okay, no need to fear of CGL exam. We have 4 months in our hand. Okay, January, February, March, and April. In April, you have exam, so 3 months we have, and 3 months is enough for your CGL exam. There is no need to worry at all. Okay, so without wasting time, now we will start our video. So just for your understanding, this is the previous year cutoff of tier 1 exam, okay, for tier 2. So as you can see, for open 132 marks out of 200. 200 marks is the total marks for tier 1, okay. So 132 for open, then OBC 119, SC 100 and ST 93, EWS 109, okay. So this is the cutoff, previous year cutoff, that is 2020 cutoff for your CGL exam. Now obviously this is not our target. Okay, in tier 1 our target from today is to score 140 above marks. Okay, whether paper you are easy, definitely you will score this 140 to 160 above also, there is no need to worry, but minimum we want 140 plus, okay, and maximum definitely 160 to 180 we can score easily, there is no need to worry. Okay, people also score 200 out of 200, so this is also case happened previously, but definitely we will set a fair target because now we are starting our preparation from scratch, right? So 140 plus to 160 plus depending on paper level, this will be our target. So just note down this target, this is your target for tier 1, okay. Any whether you are from open OBC, I don't care about that, just this is our target, right? Okay, now about CGL exam. So exam pattern, okay, the challenging part in this exam is 60-minute timer, okay. Those who manage this 60-minute perfectly, and there is art to manage this 60 minutes, so definitely in our upcoming strategies I will share that how you can manage this 60 minute, because it is the game of this 60 minute only, that's it. If you able to manage this 60 minutes smartly, then definitely you will make it into merit, okay. This thing you need to learn in this 3 months of period, that how you can manage 60 minutes, okay. This is the thing. Now in this 60 minutes we need to attempt aptitude 25 questions, reasoning 25 questions, general awareness 25 questions, and English 25 questions, okay. Each question have 2 marks, means 50 marks, 50 marks, 50 marks, like this. So total 200 marks paper with negative marking. Yes, negative marking is there. 0.25 marks negative marking, okay. This is the basic pattern of your tier 1 examination, okay. Now this video is all about the first section I will introduce to you, which have caliber to provide maximum marks to you, okay. Means if you prepare that section very carefully and very smartly, definitely you can score maximum mark, and this is the first step of our preparation strategy. So let me introduce the first section, that is your general awareness, okay. So now many candidates, those who have fear of general awareness, no need to worry, we have this 3 months. In that 3 months you can prepare general awareness very smartly and very easily, there is no problem in that, okay. How? Definitely I am telling you right now. So for general awareness, this is 25 questions, okay. We need to handle this 25 questions. That's in this 25 question, what subjects you are getting, whether they will ask you from questions from history, geography, economics, polity, then physics, chemistry, biology, current affairs, static GK, okay. Means this is the one, I can say we will categorize the things. So this is the one, okay, which I will name general studies for you guys, and this is the another which I will name general awareness, okay. So we will divide the general awareness into general studies and general awareness. This is the syllabus of your CGL exam, right? Now, how to start preparation for this general awareness section and why it is important. So this section is why important because see, out of this 60 minute, okay, if you able to manage this section in 10 minutes, this is our target, means from scratch we need to prepare such that you all the 25 question you can attempt in 10 minutes only. Okay, so maximum time for this general awareness section is 10 minutes only. We need to train ourselves like that only. Okay, no more second we will provide to general awareness section while attempting the question paper. That's why. So this is a target 10 minutes. In 10 minutes you can definitely answer 25 questions. There is no problem in that. Okay, and here we can score maximum marks by giving minimum time. That's why this is the most important section of CGL exam, which will ensure your maximum marks also in tier 1. That's why we need to prepare more efficiently, right? Now how you can start, as you already know that now why it is important. Now how to start preparation, right? So side by side you need to give your preparation timing. So first let me give you the current affairs section strategy, because from out of suppose 25 questions, okay, 15 questions they will ask from this only current affair and GK, and rest of the questions they will ask from general studies section. Okay, that's why current affairs and GK is most important thing. You can't skip anything for CGL exam if you want serious section in this exam. Okay, so for current affair basically you need to start reading from your June 2021 to April, or I can say March 2022. Okay, so this much month you need to study for your CGL exam. Now those who already connected to our second channel, Nikum Sir Concept Corner channel, okay, on that general awareness videos are there. Definitely that video will get resumed again for CGL exam specifically, and I will prepare you guys for CGL exam general awareness section, because this is the challenging section, and if you get hands on it, definitely your chances will get maximized. Okay, so definitely don't worry, no need to worry. Just for now start reading from the books and everything. Definitely our video lectures will be there for you guys. Okay, and that is also free, no charge for it at all. Just serious attention is required and serious your attendance are required for each of the videos, right? So for current affair, I want June to March month you should read thoroughly. Okay, in detail you require all the current affairs. It is not like one by one. So definitely if you are reading daily newspaper, okay, any newspaper, then this will help you. Definitely our magazine box is there for you guys, which is the powerful course of our whole app. Okay, so you can check that out. I will give you the link in the comment section. All the okay, now if you purchase the magazine box, definitely you don't need to take anything. You don't need newspaper, you don't need anything for this section, because all the things are in detail in the magazine box. Okay, all the magazines you will get from June to March month. No need to worry at all, right? So that's why I'm telling you that magazine box we have. Otherwise, if you don't want, definitely you can refer, you can read from our news, and definitely you can follow our website. On website daily we are uploading current affairs, but that is not enough for this exam, I am telling you. Okay, because that are very much important current affairs, not means for CGL exam, definitely CGL exam, but I can say 80% of this that is important, but this 20%, for this 20% you need to read newspaper. Okay, then only you will get the things. So in detail study is required for current affairs section. Definitely it will not going to easy, but still you can do. Okay, make your proper notes while reading that. You now how to prepare this section. See, now you can start from June month. Okay, and side by side you can read current affairs from current month, mean today's day. That is, suppose today is your 26th of December, so June month and 26th December, then 27, like that. So parallelly you will read previous month plus current month. Okay, like this you will prepare for your current affair. Definitely static GK, everything I will cover in video, so no need to worry about that. Just for current affair detail reading I required from you guys, right? So this is all about your current affairs. Okay, the next thing, that general studies section. Okay, so for general studies, now definitely Lucent book is there, which is enough for you guys, right? So from Lucent you can read history, geography, economics, politics, science. Now you will ask me that which is from which we should start, right? So see, I will give you the pattern. So first you can start with history, because in history we have three parts, that is your ancient, medieval and modern history. Okay, Then if you, after completion of history part, you can move to economics. Okay, then after economics you can move to polity. After polity you can move to geography, and then after completing this you can move to science part. In that, take physics, then chemistry, then biology, like this. Okay, sometimes environment question also they ask, so biology plus environment. Okay, I will just combine this. So this is the sequence of your preparation for general studies section. Okay, so I hope that now you got the idea that how you can how you can prepare for general studies and general awareness section, how you can read from current affair and everything, right? If you have any other doubt other than this, definitely you can DM me on Instagram. If you want to ask me personally, then definitely, and otherwise you can comment down just on below video. Okay, so this is all about your preparation of general awareness section, which is the most important section. I am again highlighting this. Okay, in 10 minutes our target will be in 10 minutes to attempt all the questions, maximum possible questions. Okay, and we will prepare such that out of this 25 questions you are able to attempt 20 to 22, and if our luck is there, then definitely 25 questions is also possible, right? Because this section is unpredictable, they can ask you anything. That's why I'm not telling you right now that you can attempt 25 questions. For some luck is required, because whatever we read, okay, they should ask that other thing. But we will prepare such that our target is to attempt 20 to 28 questions with 100% accuracy. Okay, we 100% accuracy we want, because here the mistake chances is very low. Just read the question, tick, read the question, tick, next. Okay, like this. So no need to miss. The mistake chances are very less in that. That's why I give first preference to this section, right? Now resources, as I already told you, the resources, again I am repeating the resources for you guys. So first, Lucent GK book, from which you can complete your this general studies section. Okay, for current affair, website plus news, and then for practice. Now what is your MCQ PDF? So on Telegram channel of Apna Government Job, you are getting daily PDF. Okay, and this thing we started from April month, means April 2021. We started from this. Okay, now download our application, download Telegram. If you are on already Telegram, search for Apna Government Job. In the description you will get the link. What you need to do, go to the file section, join the channel, go to the file section. All the PDF you will get of general studies, okay, history, geography, polity, like that, and general awareness, current affairs and GK. Okay, so from June month, just read all the general studies. If you are comfortable, then start from April month only. Okay, the date we started the thing for free for our Apna Government Job community. So read all the general studies and general awareness questions, and just daily practice this question, because daily you are getting this PDF in your Telegram channel. Okay, so your job is to daily practice general studies PDF also. Okay, 9 to 10 questions, and general awareness PDF also. This is your job, daily job from today, from the date where you, whether you are reading or watching this video. Right, so MCQ PDF is must important for you, and along with this I will recommend you to just take a look at SSC CGL previous year paper. Okay, and what previous year? From 2018 to 2020 only. No need to go very past. Okay, 1990, no need to go. 2018, 2020 enough for you guys. Okay, because lots of shifts are there, so lots of things you will get, and you will get a clear idea, and definitely you will, means your confidence will get increased. Okay, and in our general study master class, general awareness master class, which I will resume shortly, in that, from my side, from my analysis, everything, from my 9 years of experience, I will give you everything. Okay, and I will try that out of this 25 questions, everything you will get from here only. That is my target. Okay, so let's see what happens and what not, but we will prepare very sincerely. That is the thing. Okay, I will make videos sincerely, you will prepare just sincerely, and just don't forget your daily routine for general studies. Definitely in your phase wise strategy video, I will discuss the things. So this is the introduction part of your SSCGL exam about general awareness. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss the next important section, that is second important section, which will give you maximum marks in your CGL exam. But for now, if you have any query, any doubt regarding this video, regarding general awareness section, regarding SSCGL, okay, then feel free to ask me anything. No need to shy. Okay, this is our community, this is our family. No need to worry at all. I am there for you. Just be free with me, be frank with me, and join our Telegram channel compulsory, right? So just comment down below if you want. If you like, you can like the video also, and you can DM me on Instagram if you want to ask me anything. Okay, all the best. I will meet you in the second strategy video. Till then, just gather the resources, whatever resources I told you, and join our Telegram and just take all the PDFs in the file section. Okay, all the best.